Hey guys, it's Kheyali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm showing you one colorful mandala art from which you can actually create a home decorator, a wall hanging decorator, or you can use this to decorate your notebook or to decorate your sketchbook cover page, and also you can write a positive quote on it. And yeah, I will show you how to do a perfect cursive. So let's get started. See guys, drawing is not easy, and also if you don't have peace in your mind, then you can't draw anything. So it's my me time. I need some Horlicks or some coffee, then I need a good sketchbook, and I need some color, and it's like me time. So I will draw a colorful mandala for you guys, and also I will add one quote for you so that you can use this positive quote in your notebook cover page or a scrapbook cover page also. So yeah, I'll start. So first of all, I did some half round on my page. So here, after that, first I did with a pencil, then I am bordering it with a black gel pen, and then I am doing some small work on it. So please stay tuned to watch the full tutorial. And also advice for me that if you really want tutorial, then first think that it will be big, because a tutorial is it's not a small thing. To create one great picture, or if you want a masterpiece picture, then you have to spend time. You can't cut time to get it. So if you really want a tutorial, you have to watch this till the end. So please don't think that video is so big. This is big because of I am giving the whole tutorial in it. For this reason it's big. So please stay tuned. I will first draw this, then I will color. After that I will do that cursive word thing. So please guys, watch this. So you can see here mainly I am doing a small circle or a half circle, then I am doing some different type of petals and also a geometric pattern I am doing here, and at last I am filling that with some small design which is very much cute. So I am doing this, and also if you want any another design then you can also do that. Whatever you want you can do. Here my drawing is completed, and now it's time to color this mandala. I will do a great color on it, you can see this, and I am thinking that I will do mainly orange color and blue color on it. So I am doing this, and also you need to remove that mark for that pencil. Okay, previously I did something with pencil, so first I have to use a rubber to remove that pencil lines, then I have to color on it. So the same way on the border side I am giving deep color, and in the middle portion of that petals I will give light color. Guys, please let me know in the comment section you like this or not. So you can see guys, I did some cursive word also, and I am giving now small heart shape. I am filling it and trying to give a cute vibes on it. So guys, if you like this video, please do a like and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please support me to do more videos. Thank you.